Okay. Roll that down. See how I have it pushed back? That's what you want. Braid that down. Doesn't have to be to the end. On to the next braid. I don't want too many braids, but not too little either. I want it to just be as flat as it can be. I don't know how much I have to stress that. You want it flat. You don't want it bulky. That you don't want. Dan, can you turn my music up? My music? A little bit? This boy thinks he could take over my living room. Comb it back. A little bit. Okay. I feel like I don't... OCD side of me is kicking in. Okay. Hi, Nevaeh. Hi, Booty Scoots. Guys, check out my niece, Nevaeh, on TikTok. She's under Tanika Slaughter. I'll share her link under my description. She is amazing. She's so talented. She's 7 years old, and she's a girly girl. That's what I have to say. We allow her to be who she is, but yet we do teach her, you know, no, you're too young for certain things. But at the end of the day, Nevaeh is passionate about what she loves. She knows what she likes. She's creative. She's artistic. She's just amazing, I'm telling you. She is like me. She's like me and my sister mixed in one. She draws. She likes makeup. She likes hair. She's a girly girl, and then she could be like a boy. Like, she is a trip. Okay, so as you see what's happening, that's what we're doing. Bring this around. Okay. Comb your hair back so you can part it right, so it's symmetrical. I'm going to really try to avoid a braid down the middle. I'm going to actually split this in two and bring them that way, so there's nothing in the middle for when I part my hair. Yes, look at that. Okay. The middle part is important because when you part your wig, you want your scalp to be under there, flat. I'm gonna go ahead and pin that up. This is not tight enough for me. Okay. I think I want to make this into two because I don't want it too bulky, as I stated. I want it to be flat. So I can see, let me see. Let's try it and let's see what happens because we don't want it too big.
You have 32 viewers, what? Bro, watch out, there's no way. There's no way. There's no way. How you playing this? There's no way, Chad. There's no way. Got 32 viewers.
Try to make the braid flat. If you kind of understand what I'm saying, don't make it like a puffy, like a braid. See how I'm making it flat? Yeah. I don't want it to have that bulk to it, that 3D dimension. I want it flat. So that means you do have to make it a little looser. As you get towards the back of your head, you can get tighter. I'm just so pissed off about my lighting. It's not the best. That's because I don't have room to put my light in here. See? Okay? It turned out pretty good. Let me feel my head. My head feels flat. Doesn't feel like I have 3 more inches of head. Okay, braid that down. This time I'm gonna braid it to the end so it can be neater. 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 I'm so silly. I make myself laugh a whole lot. I've learned to entertain myself. Okay, got that. This is what we have right now. I hope you guys can see that. So, like I said, the important part, comb that baby back. Comb it back. Because when you lay that lace front, you don't want nothing bumpy here. You want it flat. See that? Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so we are going to end up with a total of 6 braids. That's not bad at all. Okay, just look at symmetry. That's how you part it. I have a call coming in. I'll be back.